So I'm going to take a video and show you what's going on with the e-bike. This one is having the issues. That one works perfectly. We've used them and charged them exactly the same since we've got them. So we ride the same distance and we charge them the same amount of time. So just to show you, the battery is fully charged. We'll go ahead and plug it in. Okay, it's green because it's fully charged, so plugged in, it's good. Okay, we'll turn it on. Flip the switch. Okay, and we press the button. Nothing. And sometimes when you wiggle the wires, it'll let you turn on for just a second, but it only shows the bars, and you can't like change the numbers here like you normally can. So like for example on this one, we turn it on, press the power, right, and normally this comes up here and you can change the passcode, right, like normal. Okay, so I don't know why this is. I think it's this issue here with the screen, but there's also an issue with the battery. So when we take out the battery, okay, and the battery shows us good, right? But it's not. So I tried this with one hand. See how this one is 54? Okay. This one's 54. And then when I test this last one, it's nothing. And that should be also 54, because if I check this battery, the good one, and I do the same thing, okay, I check the first one. Oh, I gotta turn it on. Okay, check the first one, it's 54. Check the second one, is 54. And the last one is also 54. So all three are good in this one, but this battery, one of the cells is bad. And if I take the good battery and I put it in this bike, which is the one that's having the problem, okay, try to do this with one hand. Okay. Okay, so this is the good battery in the bad bike. Still doesn't turn on. So whatever this is over here, it's not working. And also the battery is only 2 of 3 good. Okay, so I think if we need to replace the battery and warranty the battery, and we need to warranty the control unit. The display works, but whatever controls it, the computer or whatever in here, is no good. The battery is no good. The screen, the buttons, the wires, they're all good. But whatever is in here, the computer, is no good.